Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a AMD error code list. So if you have if you have issue with your AMD GPU driver especially, and of course if you want to learn about the error code of your GPU, especially if you have AMD Radeon VGA, you can try to search AMD error code list. So here you can type AMD error code list on Google, and some sites will give you some error code that you need to learn. For example, from thingslab.io, let's click it. So here we go, ThingsLabs AMD Radeon error code list. Thank you for Jeremiah Stewart from provide this article. So here, common error code include code 43, 31. So here we go, this is the AMD Radeon error code list, troubleshooting made easier. So for example, like error code 43, meaning Windows has stopped the device because it has report problem, and possible cause is driver issues, hardware conflict, and so on. So up to a error 189, 195, 182, especially I always encounter this problem. And here we go, troubleshooting steps for common error codes. This is the steps. For error 43, you have to update your graphic, and code 202 update or install your graphic driver. Code 2.205 check your PSU voltage, and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.